Hello everyone, this is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times and I am running a full-fledged coaching center for GATE Aerospace from 2014 and 2024 is about to come next year. So my coaching center students are going to write, new batch is going to write GATE Aerospace exam 10th time. So it is like I am privileged that students are constantly believing in me and I am continuously giving a result and students are back to back learning the concepts of aerospace engineering and some new students, they should focus on this video in more detail because some students who have already enrolled in GATE exam, they have gone through the preparation module, they have taken GATE exam 1 or 2 times and you guys are totally new, going to take GATE exam for the very first time or planning to prepare for GATE exam. So a very common question is being asked by new batch students recently, like for 2024 batch. Every year I used to start my new batch on 15th Feb. So this year also 15th Feb I started a new batch for 2024 exam. If you want to know like all types of courses I have for different varieties of students, like first year, second year, third year, final year, pass out students, working students, like students who are working in corporate now, they want to prepare for GATE exam, GATE Aerospace exam. And one thing, my channel and my videos are only helpful for GATE Aerospace aspirants. I don't make videos, these suggestions are not related to some other department. But if you are in some other department, you just go through the videos and you will come to know that how GATE Aerospace works. So all the GATE Aerospace aspirants watching this video, you understand one thing, it is not a very clear answer that these many hours you have to study to qualify GATE Aerospace exam. Like I will make this video very short. There are so many examples. Students used to study only 2 to 3 hours every day and they used to qualify GATE exam with top 5 rank. There are so many examples. Students are actually studying 24/7, like hypothetically consider like 10 plus hours every day, sitting whole day in library. They could not qualify GATE exam even in 2 attempts, not even qualify, forget about 500 600 rank. There are some students, they used to be very average, but after an average input in GATE preparation, they used to secure very good rank in top 50. There are some students, they used to be less than average, but they used to improve a lot during GATE preparation when they used to follow a particular path. So I have designed courses, I have designed a particular path, I have live sessions running 3 days in week. You can enroll and you can start your GATE preparation. I have videos or all past several years, you can watch those videos on my YouTube channel itself. So much content is available. You stay some days here on my channel, get the idea how I am teaching and then enroll with me as soon as possible. So that now point is how many hours you should study. If you are not enrolling in my coaching center, this video is helpful for self-study students. You can share this video with those students also who are like confused, like okay, if I will study for 8 hours then only I can qualify GATE exam. It's not like that. So it is all about those 3 hours what you have to spend in your GATE exam. Here continuously so main thing is you have to complete a set of course. If that much course you are able to complete in a given certain time, other than that you should have time to practice. So 3 things are very important. You have to complete the syllabus. See, I am saying from my side, you have to complete the syllabus. You have to go for proper practice. What will you complete? What will you practice? That is my side. I will give you content to prepare in live class, in video lectures and different things. And I will give you proper set of designed questions to practice. So you will complete the syllabus with me. You will practice the questions with me, whatever I am giving to you. You will ask all your doubts during live classes, during videos and test series, and you will complete all the test series. So solution is given in the test series. So after completion of this much, then I will consider that okay, now you are a ready fighter to fight in the war. Now you are going to win the war or you are going to lose the war. It depends on your performance in that 3 hours. Right? You understand? In those 3 hours, what is your performance? For example, in cricket match, many times India team, our team India will not win the match. It does not mean that our cricketers were not prepared for the match. They used to practice a lot, right? They used to be very healthy, fit and ready to win the match but because of circumstances they used to lose the match. It does not mean that they are bad player or they are not prepared. So how many hours you should study? I will tell you a simple, very simple idea. First of all, you give top priority to GATE preparation, second priority to your other work. Like one more thing, I will classify here what kind of student you are. If you are collegious, you are still in college. If you are a working professional, you are working in a company and planning to prepare for GATE aerospace exam. Other than that, the third category is like you are completely idle, you are free to work, free to study 24/7 in that case. So students who are free to study 24/7, they have very good opportunity to get excellent rank, their dream rank, by scheduling their 24 hours. So for them, your first priority should be your GATE preparation. Whatever classes I am taking, whatever assignments I am giving, you complete them one by one, ask your doubts, complete the test series, ask your doubts. This is a routine work. This is the routine work you have to complete. If you are completing this much, then you are ready to go into the GATE exam. Okay, this much you have to do. Now, to finish this, whatever time you take, it depends on you. Okay, from my side, it goes like this. In general, if you are a good student of 4 years, like if you have done your BTech in from any college and you have been a very good student, it takes roughly 9 months to summarize everything in detail if you have been a good student. So in 9 months, but there are cases, many students, they are not able to complete. So that's why I say 1 year of dedicated preparation is important for GATE exam. For those students who have qualified, students who are in first year and second year, they should start preparation immediately as soon as possible, and schedule I will tell you when you will join me. It's very clear. So if someone is guiding you that minimum 8 years of preparation every day is must to qualify GATE exam, it is not the way. If someone is telling that no, every day 2 hours you study, you will qualify the GATE exam. No. It is about the volume of the syllabus. Okay, if you are completing the volume of the syllabus in 2 months itself, like whole day and night you are making notes, you are watching my videos, making notes, you are coming to the lectures making notes, then your syllabus will get complete very early, right, in 2 months itself. After that, whatever assignments are there, you complete them. So when you are completing the assignment, then you will come to know that how much time you are consuming actually. This is the reality. If for example, if you are giving me a question, that question is from that topic what I have already covered. Now that question I am solving and someone else is also solving. If I understood the question and I finished the question early, then that's all, my assignment over. So I will jump to the new topic. But what if my friend or someone is taking more time or not able to solve the numerical? Then time is just extending for the person, right? So it is not about how much time you are giving every day. It is about how soon, how nicely you are completing the syllabus. Understood? You have these 3 parts. You have to cover the syllabus, you have to practice assignments and test series, then you have to revise well. Revision plays very important role. So if you are enrolling with me in different courses, like you can text me on WhatsApp that you want to join my coaching center. So I will send you some important links. There some links will be for admission purpose, like fee structure, everything I have made a detailed video, so that even though if I am not free, even though if I am sleeping, even something, you can watch those videos. So just text me that you want to search this, that I want to prepare for GATE aerospace exam, your name, in which year you are, first year, second year, final year, pass out, you are working professional, whatever. I will send you some important links, you watch those links. Okay, and you will come to know how am I working. So in 2022, 163 students qualified from my coaching center. And this is the complete data, including test series, including video courses, including live classes. In 2023, 185 students qualified, including everything. And it is a glad moment. That's why I'm making this video. I have experience of so many years and so many students I have seen under me. They are preparing with me. They are qualifying the GATE exam. They are not able to qualify the GATE exam. So based on that, I am saying it is, see, it's been like 10 years, 9+ years I am teaching GATE aerospace subjects. I myself, I have qualified GATE exam 6 times. I know what it takes. It is not, definitely you have to pay the time. You have to sit and study. Then only you can understand the volume of the syllabus. Then only you can understand the depth of the syllabus. See, if you will join me in crash course time in the end of the year, in November month, December month. That time also, whatever time will be remaining, according to that I will give you the advice. Currently one year is running already, some roughly 16 lecture or something, 15 lectures I completed for the new batch. So you have to start early and you have to finish the volume early, and then you have to go for the practice, and then you have to solve all the test series, and you have to ask all the doubts. Once you are doing this much, it means I will consider that you are ready for the GATE exam. How fast you can complete that, this became your average time of every day, right? I hope you understand. But see, some students take GATE preparation in wrong way. They think that, okay, I will complete the syllabus, then I will be the winner. No, it is not about the completion of the syllabus. Many students, they used to complete the syllabus of the 1 year in crash course batch itself, because in crash course batch also I used to give the same video what I am teaching for the 1 year. So they used to finish that in 2 months, last 2 months. But completion is not the key of success, right? You have to complete the surface subject, you have to practice well, you have to revise well, and all those test series. You know, when 2023 GATE exam got over, I was going through the website, my website, and I was seeing how many students have solved how many test series. Many students, they could not solve even 100 test series. Last year for 2023 batch, I promised for 400 test series, but I gave only 275 test series. That was the same test series what I gave for 2022 batch. So in that 270, that itself is sufficient. But now for the 20, now I am creating new test series for 2024 batch and upcoming batches. So this year for 2024, I'll be having 400 test series. So you see, 400 test series means more than 365 days. Every day, if you are solving one test series, so it will be a very good practice, very good practice. And in my classroom program, I am doing a separate practice session for your calculator also. You just go through some of my demo lectures of 2024 batch are there. You just type aircraft propulsion lecture 1 concept library 2024, and you will come to know my lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4. I think 3 or 4 lectures are public on YouTube. Those lectures you watch, you will understand in what way. And not only that, every year's lectures are there. Small clips are there, large clips are there. You go to playlist, go through the lecture, see the timing. It is like 3-minute video or 30-minute video or 1 hour video. So you will come to know, spend some time here. Okay, so and I'm concluding. How many hours are required to prepare GATE exam every day? It depends on student. It depends on the volume, how much volume you can cover. I hope it's clear. So contact me immediately on WhatsApp if you want to enroll my coaching Concept Library. Thank you so much.